Are you feeling stressed, anxious, or preparing for pregnancy? In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful breathing techniques that can calm your mind, boost your focus, and even help during labor. These are simple, science-backed, and you can start practicing right away. First, diaphragmatic breathing. Place your hand on your belly, inhale deeply through your nose, and let your belly rise. Exhale slowly. This type of breathing reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and during pregnancy, it helps relax your pelvic muscles and prepare for childbirth. Next, box breathing, also called 4-4-4-4. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. It's amazing for anxiety and panic. Pregnant women can use it to manage nervousness during checkups or early contractions. Third, alternate nostril breathing. Use your right thumb to close one nostril, inhale through the other, then switch. This balances your nervous system, improves focus, and in pregnancy, it reduces mood swings and stress. Fourth is the famous 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This technique is great for better sleep, controlling cravings, and calming anger. Expecting mothers often use it to sleep more peacefully. Finally, light panting, quick, shallow breaths. This one is especially for pregnancy, helping manage contractions and labor pain by preventing muscle tension. Breathing is a powerful tool we all have within us. Whether you want to calm stress, improve focus, or prepare for a smoother pregnancy, these techniques can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychology and wellness content. And let me know in the comments, which breathing exercise will you try first?